यहाँ पे हमें हर रोज एक नया काम सीखने को मिलता है।
यहाँ पर काम करते समय हंसी मजाक करने का समय भी निकलता है।
मिलजुल काम करना।
Over the years, I've had the privilege of visiting some of the world's most awe-inspiring historical structures and museums. The grandeur of the architecture and the amazing craftsmanship spanning centuries inspired me to start ORVI in the year of 2014.
If I'm asked to write something or write a book, so I would say the title would be just one word: people. So here we work as a family and we give them complete, very friendly environment to work in our organization.
So ORVI is not just a great place to work, it's a very, very happy place to work, and what makes it wonderful is the team here and the people we have here. And I think some of the core values that we have here, that of empathy, that of respect for each other, that of a lot of ownership, I think it makes it a very unique place. And from top down, the culture really is nobody breathes down anybody's neck, and then you manage your own space, you take your own decisions. So you're like a mini entrepreneur of your own department or of your own workspace, and that's what empowers people here. And this flows from professionals to artisans to everybody, even to the external partners and vendors that we work with. So I think this whole culture of love, empathy, trust, faith on each other and working together as a team makes us a wonderful place to be in.
So as we all know, ORVI is about innovation. So as a family member of ORVI, I strongly believe that every family member, every employer in ORVI get a chance to come with some innovation, to contribute and get a freedom to contribute. And in our everyday life here, we work as a family and we work very freely, and we contribute in every aspect and every growth story of ORVI.
We at ORVI are determined to harness the rich tapestry of traditional techniques that have slowly been vanishing in the face of modern economic pressure.
ORVI is definitely a great place to work. I am associated with this group since last 20 years. The management is very supportive and they always keep trust in me.
ORVI indeed is a great place to work because we are a team. Our strategy from the very beginning has been on creating a people's organization, and therefore everyone here at ORVI believes that our team is really what ORVI is.
At ORVI, our team is the heart of everything we do. We make sure that every voice is heard, every effort is valued, and everyone feels supported here. Being a great place to work is not just a title, it's a promise to our team that they truly matter to us.
मैं ORVI के साथ बहुत लंबे समय से जुड़ा हूँ। यहाँ पर काम करने का बहुत ही एक अच्छा अनुभव रहा है मैं। यहाँ पर सब व्यक्ति एक मेरे कलीग, जूनियर, सीनियर सब एक साथ मिलके काम करते हैं, एक दूसरे की काम में मदद करते हैं, और यहाँ हम लोग एक परिवार का अनुभव महसूस करते हैं।
It's a purpose-driven journey, and we empower our artisans.
Being a sales head in ORVI, taking care of the verticals, which is purely working with all renowned architects and designers across India, across globe. From my last 24 years of my professional career, I haven't seen such type of things anywhere at such a level wherein you are talking about the brand, talking about the people, talking about the artisans, talking about the products, talking about the designs, and not just about one company basically.
As a part of ORVI, I have had such a positive experience, whether it is in the office or among our artisans, where they really feel motivated and appreciated. ORVI creates a safe and supportive environment where we can all grow and take on new challenges. I'm really proud to be a part of a team where they truly care for their people and help others to shine.
ORVI is all about creativity and good vibes. Seriously, such a nice place to work. काम में खुलापन।
यहाँ पे काम में भी मस्ती है।
I have been with Orvi for quite some time, and the unique thing that I've learned about Orvi is the relationship that we build, whether it's within the workforce or with the vendors or even with the customers. We just don't focus on orders, transactions with the customers. We more focus on the bond, the long-term trust that we build with our customers. At Orvi, the teamwork and support are the foundation of everything. It helps us overcome any challenge that we face.
ओरवी का हिस्सा बने मुझे लगभग 17 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया है। यहाँ हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने और करने को मिलता है। यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट हमेशा सपोर्टिव रहा है। यहाँ के लोग हमेशा साथ खड़े रहते हैं। और यही चीज़ ओरवी को स्पेशल बनाती है।
Orvi is all about creativity and good vibes. Seriously, this is a nice place to work.
मेरे को ओरवी में लगभग 11 साल हो गए। मुझे यहाँ काम करना अच्छा लगता है। अगर किसी को नमकीन बिस्किट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो मैं सब कुछ रखता हूँ।
एक कप चाय, एक कप दोस्ती, यही है हमारी कंपनी का कल्चर।
Join us in this incredible journey as we turn this vision into reality that's nothing short of spectacular.